Capricorn, welcome to my channel. Welcome to your new reading. What's up, Capricorn? What is going on? Well, we're going to find out. It is a timeless reading. It is general. It is for the Capricorn collective. Whenever this reading finds you, or you find it, whichever way you look at it, there will be a message here. There will be something that resonates. Take from it what you need when you need it. 8 tarot cards we are going to look at. Wow. Interesting. Some very nice complementing colours you've got here in your reading. Very earthy, as befits the Capricorn, the King of Earth. And yeah, but we have purple, we have spirituality, we have red, we have passion, we have strength. Okay, so 8 tarot cards, 2 oracles towards the end for you more clarification, confirmation, whatever it is you need, Capricorn. We're starting with the Queen of Swords. Okay. That's authority. That's clarity. You have a very special sort of clarity and truth. It's not normally this curved. This is very warlike. You are ready. You're ready for the challenge, whatever it is that comes your way. It'll be different for all of you out there, but you are ready. You have clarity, truth, honesty, transparency, and higher communication on your side. You have the High Priestess on your side as well. That is more something that lives within. The intuition. You don't just have clarity, you have intuition as well. You have the intuition, you have hunches, you have insight, instinct. You listen to your inner voice, you follow your own guiding light. You're walking to the beat of your own drum. Look at that self-confidence. You're in war mode. You're in war mode. Oh, wow. Look at that King of Cups. He is rather in choppy waters, isn't he? That king. He's offering you a cup of love. What are you going to do? Boy, you're going to use your clarity, your sharpness of wit and intellect, and you're using your intuition to find out what you're going to do with him or about him. He's offering you a cup of love, but he's on choppy ground. He's not sure of himself. Especially when you're in this mode, he doesn't know whether you're going to accept or not. Because you will not accept mediocrity. You will not accept bullshit from anyone. You want the truth. You want clarity. You want to know what their intentions are. And then you let them know whether these intentions agree with your intentions. So, 4 of Wands. He's offering you a cup of love, and he's offering you shelter. Now, that doesn't have to be literal. He wants to protect you. He wants to give you something that'll make you happy, especially emotionally. He wants to give you material growth, home, comforts, abundance, prosperity. He wants to give you stability and security. But he's not sure whether he can actually manage all that, what he's offering you. And And I've no doubt you can see through the hesitation and he's careful, he's hesitant. Yeah, he's just not sure. So you have recently dropped some heavy burdens from your life. It's when you come into the special mindset of, the war queen, male or female. You've dropped the burdens physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. You've dropped the burdens, you've dropped people, you've dropped situations. You've walked away. Enough is enough. That's why that sword is curved. It's done a lot of chopping. Wow, I love these cards. The Tower. Yeah, there's something to be repaired. There's something to be made good. There's something to be looked at that you have been putting on the back burner. The High Priestess, with her intuition, she's going to survey the situation. You're going to have to face whatever it is that you've been putting on the back burner. Because if you don't face it now, it's just going to get out of hand and it's going to get worse. The repairs have to be done before the whole of the bottom crumbles away, the foundation. You don't want the foundations to crumble. You don't want them crumbling either. But you don't mind a little bit chopped off at the top here. There's stuff has to be repaired, stuff has to be looked at and made good. But you don't want the foundations to crumble. So it is now is the time to do something about this. That's when the King of Cups comes in. He's offering you support, actually. Four of Swords, that is healing here. You want to go in healing mode. He can help you with the healing mode. He can facilitate that. Because he is, he's an emotional king, and he understands, and he has a lot of feelings. So he understands if you need to heal, especially if you've been through a hard battle here. But then we got strength. Your inner strength has never faltered. No matter how daunting and challenging the difficult challenges have been, you're not faltering. Your inner strength is not wavering. You are the strong Capricorn. Okay. Right, so with the Tower, stuff on the back burner, that is coming back at you. That is exactly what this card is here. So it's time to turn around and face this, but we've already talked about that. Embrace the masculine. Embrace the masculine within yourself, if you are a female especially, but also if you're a male. Embrace your masculine side. Your more wild side. The side of the hunter. But hunting has to have a purpose. Hunting is done for nourishment, not for fun. So, don't embrace that masculine side of hunting for fun. Embrace the masculine side of hunting for necessary survival. Wow, these are very interesting cards, Capricorn. You are very much in your earth element. You're very much in your inner strength. You're very controlled. You are in tune. This is your higher self. The masculine side, the hunt, the wild side, the untamed feelings. You're very expressing your untamed side right now, which is very good. It's furthering your growth. You're growing. You are expanding that consciousness and that awareness. You get in touch with your higher self. Once you overcome this little problem of the repairs and the things you have to put right, you're doing it. You're ready. You're ready for it. You're ready for the challenge. Your wild side will help you. So that's got nothing to do with intellect. That is basically just instinct. Your wild instincts and insight. Your inner strength. That is what you've got to concentrate on. But don't forget the healing. Take time out when you need to, when you're exhausted. You need to heal, you need to replenish your energies. Take a break, take some time out, heal. We all need that. But you, especially when you're with the Tower moment, you're facing something that's come back at you. Something that you thought was dealt with. You'd put it to bed, but then it's woken up. Now you have to make sure you put it to bed for good. These repairs have to be permanent. So, wow, a very intense Capricorn reading this time round. I like it. Thank you so much for watching. It's been a pleasure reading for you. See you next time. Until then, take very good care. Bye-bye.